My name is Karen Kuno. I'm a grandma, number one, and a mom. I worked for the YMCA for 30 years, mostly in aquatics. I love music. I love live music, the arts. Go hear anything live. I love being physically active.
We noticed some changes occurring when she couldn't really walk the way she used to. She would be in pain.
I first realized that my legs weren't working well when I was trying to be more active and hop into an exercise class.
Getting in and out of chairs was difficult for her. She would get frustrated a lot because she wasn't able to keep up with us.
It was painful, it was horrible, it was horrible. And I happened to go to the doctor and I had her look at my feet, and she recognized what was down there were little blood clots. They did an angioplasty on me right away and found out that I had a blood clot.
Karen had one of her carotid arteries operated on, and then about, I believe, 6 months later had the other carotid artery operated on.
It was definitely important that she was at Highland because I knew the type of care she was going to get there.
My experience at Highland Hospital has been good every time, but exceptional when I was in a private room.
When she had a private room, a whole different world. She was able to sleep and relax and, feel comfortable to ask questions that she probably wouldn't have asked because somebody was next to her. And when she got home, she was comfortable. She had recovered. Moving
to all single rooms will undoubtedly help patients recover better after their surgery and be more at ease while they're in the hospital. In a single room where you can turn out the lights at night and know that you're going to get a quiet night's rest, I think can only speed the recovery process for those patients.
I think family is a big part of recovery, and being able to be private together is definitely a plus.
Community is very important to me. I have wonderful neighbors. I live in the 19th Ward. Then I go to the YMCA and there's that community. To feel like you belong someplace, very important.
One of my favorite things about Highland is that we are a community hospital and we have a great group of people working here. They get to know these people and they become close, and that really helps build some familiarity, and I think puts the patient at ease and allows us to provide care for them in a more comfortable setting.
I like the Highland Hospital because of the intimacy. Another community. They all seem to work together. The teamwork is great. They're caring and they all know what they're doing and they're on time. Very important to me in my busy life. I'm a much happier person now that I'm able to do what I want. I have no restrictions. Nothing that can hold me back now.
Seeing my mother come through this, it's been great. I love it because she's doing it without any pain. She's taking those extra steps that she didn't want to when she was in pain, and it's just nice to see her be able to be herself again.
You need to go to Highland Hospital because you will be seen as the individual that you are.